In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the CVS Health Digital Thermometer. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to find instructions on how to properly use your CVS Health Digital Thermometer on this page from Manuals Plus. So look for CVS Thermometer Instructions Manual, and you will be able to find the table of contents including all the instructions. As you can see, before you start, make sure that it has batteries installed and turn it on by pressing and releasing the power button. The unit will beep once and wait until it beeps twice and Fahrenheit display appears on screen. Once you see that, all that you have to do is place and hold the thermometer probe firmly to the skin at the temple and wait several seconds. The device will beep once more, telling you when the process is done, and you will be able to read the temperature on the display. As you can see, there is a full guide of instructions here if you need additional help. All that you have to do, like I said once again, is to press the power button after you install two AAA batteries, and you will be able to firmly place the thermometer probe on the temple. It is going to beep once the process has been complete and the information will be displayed. If you get any issues when trying to do this, double check if you are using proper batteries and make sure that you are holding the thermometer probe correctly on the spot for enough time for the unit to read the temperature. Make sure that this symbol goes away and you will be ready for the next measurement as necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the CVS Health Digital Thermometer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.